guys, it's KitKath. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as you can see sa title, mag-a-unboxing tayo sa Realme C3. And before we proceed to the unboxing video, please don't forget to like, share, hit that subscribe button down below, and click the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post. So guys, another day, another vlog, and this time medyo kakaiba yung gagawin ko na type of content. I'll be unboxing a gadget na hindi naman talaga sa akin. It's for my youngest brother, na graduation gift from my papa to him. Pero he gave me the privilege and the opportunity to open it and give my first impressions / parang mini review about this phone. And for those of you who haven't heard the brand Realme, it is actually a technology brand that is based in China na nag-start siya 2 years ago noong 2018. And not only do they manufacture smartphones, they also have televisions, they also have headphones, and also ito talaga yung pinaka-talk about brand dito sa Philippines, especially sa millennials who are very mahilig sa gaming. Dahil din, ito na phone is very suitable, especially kapag gusto mo maglaro ng iba't ibang games na gusto mo matagal talaga matatapos or matagal talaga yung malulubat ang gadget. And here it is! Realme company, bika naman! You might want to sponsor mga unboxing videos ko pa soon. Charot. So, I'll be opening it. And pasensya na kung medyo haggard tayo for today because hindi ko na-expect na gagawa tayo ng unboxing vlog. Kaya naka-tinted sunscreen. At the same time, naka-lip and cheek tint lang ako. I feel like excited talaga yung mga kapatid ko makita to in actual. And here it is, guys. So, it comes with a note. Hey, welcome to Realme family. And ito yung pin niya for the SIM. And also the manual. And here it is, guys. The Apple phone na. So, here's the phone. In fairness, guys, for an entry-level phone, it's quite presentable. So, ang pinili ng father ko na color is what they call it frozen blue, but it also comes with the color blazing red. And now for the LCD naman, the LCD is 6.5-inch display, and for the back part of the phone, as you can see dito, may triple camera display siya, and also may fingerprint scanner siya for security purposes. For the LCD, it is made of Corning Gorilla Glass, while the back part of the phone is made out of plastic. So, it's not really the highest quality of material there is when it comes to smartphones, but judging by its price, okay lang din naman, sulit naman siya, no, for a smartphone. And sa ibaba na part, makikita nyo, may headphone jack siya, micro USB port, and this one is ang grills niya, parang grills ng speakers niya. The side part, makikita mo yung power button. And for the other side, ito yung para sa volume niya. Before we turn on the smartphone or the cellphone, let me just insert this real quick. Baka makalimutan ko. May kasama din siyang 10 watts charger, as you can see here. And ito yung cable niya. So, let's turn on the phone now. Let's set up the language. United States, terms of service, I agree, true, help us improve the services, next, connect to Wi-Fi, password sa Wi-Fi. So now, nasa menu part na ako ng phone and we'll try to check the quality of the camera. So ito yung rear view niya. Ang pangit ko. And sa front cam, so, judging by my first impression sa quality ng camera ng phone na to, it's not really of high quality, but it's decent enough. Kasi knowing naman sa price niya. Ang sa pagkakalam ko kasi, nung time na manufacture to na phone, it's not really gonna focus on the quality of the camera, but more on the performance. So yeah, sa camera naman niya, it's very decent enough, pero not really as in super good quality. The rear view camera has 12 megapixel, while yung front cam naman niya is may 5 megapixel. While the triple camera, that's why it's called triple camera, because yung isang camera dito is yung main camera. The other one is the macro camera. And the last one would be the portrait camera. So as you can see, the size ng phone guys, since malaki yung phone niya, meaning malaki din yung battery niya, since it's 5,000 milliamperes na battery, and also it's really perfect for gaming kasi yung processor niya is Helio G70. So let's try watching a video. Tignan natin yung quality of the vid and also yung quality ng sound niya. Si-search ko lang yung channel ko. KitKath. Hey guys, good morning. It's KitKath and welcome to my very first ever travel vlog. So for the sound guys, okay siya, malakas and very clear. For the quality, tingnan natin, wait lang ha, baka sa video ko lang. So the quality of the video, very clear siya, as it is clear sa sound niya. So, okay na okay talaga siya. Especially, feeling ko talaga na mapapasaya yung kapatid ko kapag maglalaro siya ng Mobile Legends niya. For the memory, guys, it has 32GB, while sa RAM naman niya, may 3GB. For the memory, kung hindi pa enough sa inyo yung 32GB, may expandable memory siya, which means na pwede nyo palagyan ng SD card na worth up to 256GB, and also, dual SIM din siya. Lastly, for the price naman niya, it costs 5,990 pesos. So, overall, first impression review ko sa kanya, knowing the price and of the quality, first impression quality, okay naman siya, very budget-friendly, especially for those millennials or for those mga bata na ang main focus lang talaga is gaming and not really on the camera. The camera is very decent though, pero feeling ko talaga mas nakafocus siya more on the performance. And yeah, very perfect for gaming, especially kapag Mobile Legends yung tinitira nyo na function for this phone kasi pwede nyo siyang laruin na matagal siya maglulobat. And also, for those who are looking for a budget-friendly phone, pwede din naman siya for online classes. It has a very decent quality naman of the front cam and the rear view cam. So, kung di ka masyadong picky naman in terms of the quality of the cam, okay lang din naman siya for an entry-level phone. And yeah, that sums up my whole first impression review of the Realme C3 phone. Hopefully, for the next unboxing vlogs, I get to unbox na my new phone. Talagang akin na. Kasi this is for my brother. Pero okay lang yun. At least, no, I get the experience and I got the chance to do my first review, as in feeling ko first review ko to with a gadget. And also, feel free to comment on the comment section kung may mga nagustuhan kayo na specs or mga physical aspects ng gadget or ng Realme C3 na hindi ko pa na-mention. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!